Oh. Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's episode, it's been a while, but I'm going to get back and trying to finish the rear radius arms and build up the rear suspension or the rear subframe for Miss Minnie. So let's get into it. In Wales, we are still currently on lockdown. Hopefully you guys, wherever you are in the world, are doing well, and hopefully we can all get through this and come out the other side better and stronger people than we were before. My hair, I'm having a lockdown haircut refusal, so my wife keeps saying cut your hair and I'm saying no. But while we are here, before we get into the video, I just want to say if you are new to the channel and haven't already done so, please consider subscribing because I've got loads of content coming up in the future and I don't want you guys to miss out. So hit that subscribe button and thank you very much. Let's get into it. Right, so this is the box of goodies. Seen this before. It's time to get the other side radius arm out, rebuilt. Okay, so in the previous episodes, I got this brass bush in with a hammer. Now, I had a bit of a hiccup with the roller bearing, so what I'm going to do for this side is I'm going to use a piece of threaded bar, which will go through, and it will pull the bearings through. And it should hopefully pull them straight as well. Oh. Oh. Okay, so that wasn't supposed to happen. So this brass bush should go in here, and actually there's a lot of room. The roller bearing fits in there pretty snug. So it looks like this particular arm has roller bearings on the inner and the outer, which is great. But I've only got one roller bearing. So I'll push this roller bearing in now, using this tool. I'll have to order another one up, which is really frustrating. Right, so using a washer. On the nut. Just wind as I take up the slack. That was pretty straightforward. And there we have it, one undamaged bearing. So if I take my shaft and I insert it in this hole, I have nice free movement. So I suppose I better order up another bearing for the other side, and I'm really annoyed about that, but never mind, it's much easier now, so I'll crack on. I'll get the back plate built up, and I'm going to start putting this all back together. So, this tool here then, you wind the main shaft in, so then the tapered section meets up with the wheel cylinder, as you can see, and then I'm going to try and install this clip. Now it's obviously bent, you can probably see as well, and I want to go this way so the bend goes against the wheel cylinder, or the back plate, and then with that pushed up into place, I can start winding in this middle nut. And what this will do is, as the nut goes in, it will push this shaft in place as well. And it will go over that tapered section. Once it clears that tapered section, then start to flatten off. You hear a few clicks, which is that clip going past the wheel cylinder nipple or step. Just keep winding and winding and winding until you hear clicks again. Once you're happy with that, you can then wind the centre shaft out. We have our clip securely fastened to the back of that plate. Now it sits in the groove of the wheel cylinder, and then if I just get a flat blade screwdriver, and I can just push that clip around to make sure I can get access to this hole where the brake foot goes onto. There we go. So I've got 3 points of contact on the clip located, access to the bleed nipple hole. I can put my bleed nipple back in now. And the cap on, and that's now the bleed nipple section finished. Right, split pin's now fitted. A bit I could do is just clamp it down a little bit. Just going to bend that down as well. I'll take the new painted centre cap or the dust cover. Right, that's pretty much as far as I can go, other than putting the knuckle in. But what I have to do is just elongate this hole ever so slightly on the high-low, because although it's a good fit, it's very, very tight. So it's probably a little bit too tight. So what I did on the other side was, obviously before freshening it up and painting it, I just made the hole ever so slightly bigger, so this will go in nice and smoothly. So when I'm fitting it on the car, it's less of a faff. So I guess, get the drill, just try and make that hole ever so slightly bigger. Right, so that is now free. When I put that in, I put a bit of copper grease in there to stop it from seizing in there. Now to clean up this arm, and then give it a little paint to match up the other one. Right, okay, so it's a little while later, and I kind of stopped because I need some more parts, unfortunately. I've personally not seen an arm like this that has a roller bearing each end, so I need to order a new roller bearing. I managed to drill out the high-low, so that needs to be cleaned and painted. So the brakes are done, The drums are done, the wheel bearings are done, the wheel studs are done, the back plate attached to the radius arm, the handbrake cables or the handbrake levers all done, the brake hose and the flexi hose are done, the knuckles inserted and the handbrake quadrants inserted as well. For this side here, once I get that roller bearing, then I can put the shaft through, I can attach the bracket for the subframe, and then that can get effectively bolted to the subframe. The other side can get bolted as well, because that's done as well. And then we can run the brake lines, and then it's pretty much done. So yeah, unfortunately waiting for more parts, but these things happen. So I'm going to leave this video here. As always, if you have enjoyed the content, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. I will hopefully be back very soon to do more work on this car. Just a bit disappointed. So yeah, see you guys next time. Take it easy.